Hi everyone. Hey, listen. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? It's Lord Budgie. He's
at home having a cup of tea.
The legend.
You know, yeah, do you like this? Do you like this pirate look? You know.
What is it? The lockdown look, is it, Budgie?
I can't get out anywhere. You know, the people say stay at home, stay at home. I'm going bloody crazy, Kev.
I know.
You know, apparently, I've heard on social media, the roadblocks are off tomorrow. You know,
right.
We can go wherever we want. I don't know what's going to happen if the barbers are open tomorrow. I haven't got a clue. You know, but they're saying 29th is, you know, all England, they're all on the beaches at Bournemouth and stuff like that now. We know, you know, there's roadblocks, you know, a mile up the road, I can't get out. You know, it was absolutely magnificent.
And he marshalled that defence as well.
He marshalled that defence so they couldn't, people know you talk about Morgan and Huth and, you know, these great centre-backs. He was Schmeicheling behind them, telling them, you know, how to pick up and to stay out of the box. He's brilliant for me. And you know what? You know why I'm picking this? They're not too tall, Kevin.
Yeah.
You know, they're not 6 foot. 6 foot, 6'1". That's enough. When you get these, nowadays, they're obsessed by...
With giants.
6'4", 6'5", and it's a disadvantage. I say disadvantage to be that big. If you're playing basketball or volleyball,
yeah,
it's an advantage, right? You know, or handball, it's an advantage to be 6'4", because people can't reach you.
Yeah.
But as a goalkeeper, you've got to be bam, bam, bam. You know,
reactions and stuff. Yeah.
Like Kurt Wow, you know, he makes so many mistakes. You know, at Real Madrid, he's playing well now. The last half a season, he's played really well. He made some great saves. He's kept them up there. But don't like him.
Yeah.
Don't like him. You know, I like Edison, 6 foot. Ter Stegen, 6'1". Schmeichel, 6 foot. People who have a dynamic. People have got power.
Yeah.
You know, and you know, all three of them, fantastic with the feet. With nowadays, you know, you've got to be great with your feet, and they don't panic on the ball.
Yeah, they're very adaptable.
They could play on the midfield. You
well,
know,
that Edison, he's got a few assists as well, hasn't he? Because he's pinging balls over the top to Aguero.
That's exactly what I'm coming to there. You picked me brains.
I bet you never.
No, I was frank to death. So, you know, after, you know, a drink, you know, after a game on Saturday, you know, I would have a couple of pints, you know, after a game, like, which is normal. But Saturday became Monday.
Yes.
Monday became Wednesday.
Yeah.
And the John Burridge that you know, declined. Because there was always women, there was always beer, and there was always money.
Yes.
And my form just went, you're laughing.
No, I'm not laughing now because I know.
You know, the gyms on Monday morning, you know, wasn't there because I'd been out all weekend. So I wouldn't do me any harm to. But it did. And then, you know, I would get a phone call from another girl asking me to go out on Wednesday. And I'm, okay, you know, I'll come out. Worst time of my life, that, Kevin. The worst time of my life. Because, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening, yeah.
They brought a big lad, you know, you might have played with him, you know, a lad called George Wood.
George Wood, from Arsenal.
Arsenal and Everton.
Yeah.
So they bought him, he's Sterling or somewhere like that up in Scotland.
Yeah, he played at Arsenal, yeah.
And Everton, goalkeeper. Yeah. You know, it was my dedication that kept me in front of it, right? But he took over and he started playing well. And I was in the doldrums for a season.
Yeah.
You know, and I thought to myself, Budgie, you've got to get a grip of yourself.
Yeah.
You've got to bloody sort yourself out. You're here going out every bloody night. You know, I've entertained you, but this is the real serious.
No, this is what I love, Budgie. This is what I love.
Young lads who,
You could influence them. Yeah.
And I could have influenced them. I could keep them out of the box and I could bully them. But with Kenny McNaught and Philly Thompson, it was difficult. You know, one had captained England and Liverpool.
Yeah.
You know, he wouldn't take orders from anybody. Yeah. You know, and he was getting old at the time. Kenny McNaught, they weren't the fastest, you know, players. And, you know, Phil Thompson, he wasn't the strongest in the air. Yeah. And he used to come back on top of me all the time. I said, Phil, I can stay, leave that one to me. You know, I want him to come out unchallenged. If he stays out, I can fill the hole.
You've got room then, haven't you?
I have room, and I was a screamer, and I didn't like them in my box. I like the people to come inside. You know, nobody would beat me shot with 25 yards. If anybody beat me with a shot from 25 yards, I was upset, Kev.
Yeah.
You know, I was upset. So, you know, all the crosses that came in, Terry Venable showed me a way to defend. And I was the main point, well, my starting position was right on the 6-yard box. And every time I was coming out and taking balls on the penalty spot, Kev, unchallenged.
Yeah.
Because the defenders were out. And,
because they were disciplined, yeah? Because the defenders were disciplined.
They were learning the game, and they were learning the game from me. Yeah. And I could not teach Kenny McNaught, a European Cup winner, and the captain, and Phil Thompson, the captain of England and Liverpool. I couldn't teach them anything.
Yeah.
And they didn't want to learn. They didn't want to learn. Even though I had fights with them at half time about coming back on top of me. That's the life that I had in Sheffield. And I failed. I didn't get it.